Thank you for choosing EZbra dressing. A few things before we begin. We recommend that you wash your hands before applying the dressing and stand in front of a mirror. You can always restart the demo, and we're here to help every step of the way. Open the pack, take EZbra out, and place the instructions for use in front of you. Unfold EZbra. Detach the front tips and hold them. Place EZbra behind your back. Gently elevate the dressing until it reaches your armpits. Crisscross tips. Cross the upper tip over the left cup and attach it. Now cross and attach the lower tip to the right cup. Let's go over it again. After tips come straps. Unfold the first strap and then pull and attach. Repeat the action in the opposite direction. Almost done. Let's strap the last ones. Detach the extra straps, pull and attach. To adjust compression levels, refit any tip or strap. When drains are in use, you may use the upper strap to attach the tube. Use the lower strap to hang the drain bulb. That's it. You're fully dressed. To find out more, please visit our website. Thank you for using EZbra dressing. EZbra. Recover with dignity.